1,900 meters and blast 600 meters above the ground. And it hit directly the atomic dome. So dome was not collapsed because the drop was direct and dropped straight, and the dome had a lot of windows, so the dome was not destroyed by the blast by air bomb. And Hiroshima people said that they want to see, they don't want to remember the tragedy anymore. So some people want to demolish the dome, but some people insist that we should keep the dome and convey such a tragedy to everyone in the world. Every human being should know what happened in Hiroshima 8 years ago. So decided to keep the dome. And the dome was kept, but it was fragile, so we need some rainforest to keep the dome. And it was designated as World Heritage Site in 1996. So we are getting off the bus on the bridge, which was the target, and walk toward the atomic bomb dome. And after we see the dome, we will keep on going, and we'll walk on the Peace Memorial Park. And at the end, we'll visit the museum. On your left is Peace Memorial Park. It was completed in 1955, 10 years after the dropping of the A-bomb. I will tell you the departure meeting time of Peace Memorial Museum. After everybody have finished museum, we will meet again where I show you. And the departure meeting time is 4:15 at the designated place. And now we are going to get off the bus in a moment, so please ready to get off. And this bridge is Aoibashi Bridge, which was the target of the air raid, air bomb. Headset with you, and
goes off
this is the place where we
as long as the lights flashing.
Which it is. Oh, you're okay then.
At dawn on August 6, 1945, Hiroshima stirred awake as the B-29 Enola Gay lifted off from Tinian at 2:45 a.m., carrying the world's first wartime atomic bomb. By 7:09 a.m., the crew confirmed Hiroshima as the target, and just after 8 a.m. the bomber began its final approach. At 8:15 a.m. Little Boy was released, detonating seconds later in a blinding flash that instantly killed around 70,000 people. Fires, injuries and acute radiation effects pushed the toll to over 100,000 deaths by the end of 1945, with long-term radiation illnesses raising Hiroshima's total casualties to between 90,000 and 166,000. In a single morning, the city was transformed forever.
I will explain.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, just a moment.
Get a bit ahead of it.
Yes, I will explain the fire. Fire has also. G7 summit meeting was held in Hiroshima, and at that time the president, Japanese Prime Minister Kishida, and summit G7 summit together. On the day when the bomb was dropped, it is said the estimated 140,000 people were killed on that day, but gradually many people died later on. And even though they are survived, they are suffering from a long time.